can either follow. Flash flood warning!
The National Weather Service is Bay County in Florida, southwestern Calhoun County in Florida, northwestern Gulf County in Florida, southeastern Washington County in Florida, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 9:15 p.m.
Flash
Eastern
flood
Daylight
warning.
Time. At 2:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or
I'm recording a
3:19
flash
p.m.
flood warning.
Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the
Done.
warned
Flash
area.
flood warning.
Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen in the last 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 4 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by rain bands with tropical storm threat. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations
I'm
that
in
will
3, 2,
experience
1.
flash flooding include Panama City, Manhattan, Panama City Beach, Callaway, Springfield, Mexico Beach, Highland Park, Tyndall Air Force Base, Weewaterska, Harvard, Walthall, Jet, Bayou George, Cairo, College Station, Camp Flowers, Bayhead, Nixon, Granarville, and Ricotta Beach. Turn around. Don't drive and
I'm still recording the flash flood warning.
Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Calhoun, Florida.
Here we go! Double header! Double header! Double header!
In Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning for Appalachia Bay or coastal waters from Keaton Beach to Swampy River, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Swampy River to
Jonathan, a
Keaton Beach,
double header.
20 nautical miles. Waters from Swampy River to Apalachicola, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles.
Flash flood.
Until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 27 nautical miles
Stop,
south
you
of
still here?
Monterey, moving north at 25 knots. Hazard: waterspouts. Source: radar indicated. Input: waterspouts can quickly foam and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Locations impacted.
That's a lot of static.
Rockeye Reef. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.
That's all right.
Okay, I'm done recording.